QCY has been building a reputation for delivering feature-rich true wireless earbuds without the premium price tag, and the Melobuds N70 continue that trend with remarkable upgrades. Equipped with LAC and high-res wireless certification, adaptive ANC, and dual drivers for a layered sound profile, these earbuds stand toe-to-toe with offerings from more expensive competitors. After testing them across music, calls, and daily use, it's clear that the N70 are engineered for users who want uncompromising audio and practicality in one sleek package. The Melobuds N70 adopt a compact in-ear design that balances ergonomics and passive isolation. The inclusion of 5 sizes of ultra-soft silicone tips ensures a snug fit for all ear shapes, delivering not only long-term comfort, but also an improved acoustic seal. The charging case is pocket-friendly and features wireless charging support, an essential convenience in 2025. With IPX5 water resistance, the N70 are equally at home in the gym, on a rainy commute, or during outdoor runs, with a sealed chamber design to prevent sweat and rain from impacting performance. Melobuds N70 use Bluetooth 6.0, ensuring a faster, more stable connection with lower latency. Dual device connection is another welcome addition, letting you switch between a laptop and smartphone without the hassle of repairing. Call performance is bolstered by a triple microphone array with AI noise reduction, which cuts background noise and keeps voices clear even in busy environments. The QCY Melobuds N70 stand out as a serious competitor in the true wireless market. With high-res audio, dual drivers, best-in-class ANC, personalized EQ, and long-lasting battery life, these earbuds deliver features usually associated with much higher price points. Add IPX5 durability, wireless charging, AI-enhanced call clarity, and you get a package that blends innovation, practicality, and with great value.